Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. Here's a quick update in the tropical area. The only thing we're really looking at, we've talked about this, is some heavier rain getting into the coastal area of Texas, Louisiana, over into Mississippi and Alabama. But otherwise, the tropics remain pretty quiet. We've also talked about this dust, which has been more concentrated to the south. Actually, last night I showed a picture from down just southwest of Huntsville, Alabama, and you can see the dust is concentrated more to the south. This is today. As we get into the day tomorrow, in a thinner fashion, some of that gets up into this area, but also we've got some rain. So again, probably all we're going to see is maybe the sunrise, sunsets over the next 2 or 3 days. If we get the sunrise, sunsets you can see without cloud cover, maybe a bit more vibrant because of that. And then we kind of see the dust kind of settling down after we get into, let's say, the early portion of next week. I wanted to show you the 90-degree days so far this year. 33 is average. That's how many times we see 90 degrees or higher on average every year. Today we hit 90, so 5 days so far this season. The other thing to talk about is the dew point. The dew point's up today into the 60s. We're talking 70 or so Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. This is our highest target time for some rain. The dew points drop, but they're still pretty high late next week. But again, probably anytime from tomorrow through about Tuesday into Wednesday, best chances of seeing some of that rain. And we need rain because technically all of the area in Indiana pretty much and a lot of our Illinois counties are still what we call abnormally dry. Not drought, but abnormally dry. So even though we got some rain earlier in the week, we sure could use some more, and we are going to get some more. 90 for the high today, but nowhere near the record of 103.70. Very muggy as we started out the day. No rain across this area. However, some of the northern areas, early morning, saw a little rain as the warm air moved in. We live in a Brazil area. We got just a little light shower about 8:30 this morning. Some of the northern areas saw some of that, but it was fairly minor. Didn't last too long. Otherwise, this is what we're looking at sunrise, sunset for tomorrow. River Stage in Terre Haute, 6.2, and it is on the way down. At the airport in Terre Haute, 89 still out there. The relative humidity is high, so there is a bit of a heat index, but there is a breeze southwest at 16 miles per hour. Temperatures upper 80s to near 90 still, so it's going to be a warm evening across the area. This is the heat index, which is a factor. It feels warmer, as you can see over here in Paris, 95. That's what it feels like right now. Water vapor satellite, moisture to the northwest. That's moving this way as a front sags in from the north. So we're seeing showers and storms developing. Matter of fact, a severe thunderstorm watch up near Chicago, but that's all staying north of this area. So we're looking good down here. Fair skies tonight. Clouds will be on the increase, though, and as those storms off to the north move to the east and fade away, some of those may kind of die off and get into our northern counties late overnight. Nothing showing up, Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar, but late overnight. Really late overnight. May start to see some of this, so we'll stop the clock about 5 a.m. So at 5 a.m., kind of a dying area of some rain moving in. That'll kind of fade off and give us a break there. And then most of our showers and storms will come in the afternoon. See that? 5, 6 o'clock. Some of those may be a bit strong tomorrow. But again, we'll have a little rain early and then more fires up in the afternoon. Kind of the same as we get into Sunday, with the possibility of those scattered showers and storms. Again, I think Sunday probably more so afternoon, evening variety. The chance is better tomorrow, but there's still a chance that we're going to have some of that on Sunday. Now, I want to show you rainfall. This will vary a little bit depending on where some of the thunderstorms fire up, but as a general rule, we're talking about some pretty good rains. This is all the way through Sunday evening. So as you can see, a lot of these numbers, and again, they kind of vary, but there's a general idea of some pretty good rain. So you need more rain? We've got more rain in the forecast. And as far as any severe weather tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised if a couple stronger storms, but I don't think it's anything major as far as severe weather. So forecast for tonight then, 72. Any rain will be late overnight, 3, 4 in the morning, it looks like. 72. Tomorrow then, scattered showers and storms likely, not as hot, a high of 81. Still some scattered showers and storms around on Sunday into next week. Temperatures will be hot as well, 91 on Monday. Looks like somewhat drier, but still hot weather late next week. That's a wrap on the forecast. We'll head over to Grant.
Thanks, Jeff.